Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. X plus y. X plus y value given sin x plus y. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So what is given? X plus y is equal to sin of x plus y. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of x, we get 1. Differentiation of y, dy by dx. So 1 plus dy by dx equal to differentiation of sine function cos x plus y into differentiation of x plus y by using chain rule. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Differentiation of y with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Okay, this is 1 plus dy by dx into cos x plus y. This whole term bring the left side. 1 plus dy by dx minus cos x plus y into dy, cos x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx, okay, equal to 0. In this 1 plus dy by dx, take out common. So 1 plus dy by dx common from here. So remaining value 1 minus cos x plus y. Okay. Therefore, 1 plus dy by dx value equal to 0. So this value not equal to 0. So 1 plus dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx we got minus 1. This plus 1 bring the right side. Dy by dx value minus 1. Let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Ax square plus by square plus 2hxy equal to 0. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, given statement, let us take f function. F is function in x and y. Okay, dy by dx, we have one formula minus fx by fy. So minus of fx means dou f by dou x. Fy means dou f by dou y. This is direct formula minus of. So what is dou f by dou x? So differentiation of f with respect to x. Okay, keeping y as constant. Differentiation of f with respect to x, keeping y as constant. That is called dou f by dou x. So what is the dou f by dou y? Differentiation of f with respect to y, keeping x as constant. So differentiation of f with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Okay, so this will be minus of. So differentiation of f with respect to x. Okay, what is f? Ax square plus by square plus 2hxy. A constant. Differentiation of x square with respect to x, 2x. B constant, y constant. Okay, 0 derivative. 2h constant, y is also constant. So what is the numerator? Differentiation of f with respect to x, keeping y as constant. 2h constant, y constant, 2hy in right outside. Differentiation of x will be 1. This whole divided by differentiation of f with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Okay, in this a constant, x constant, derivative 0. B constant, differentiation of y square would be 2y. In this dou f by dou y means in this dou f by dou y, x constant. So 2hx constant, differentiation of y 1. So what is the answer? So minus of 1, 2 take out common, ax plus hy by denominator 2 take out common, by plus hx. So 2 get cancelled. This is the answer. Minus of ax plus hy by hx plus by. Let us go to the next problem. 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. Then find out dy by dx. Okay, given statement is function in x and y. So let us take f of xy. So what is our target? Dy by dx. So dy by dx formula, direct formula is there. Minus fx by fy. Minus fx. Fx means dou f by dou x. Fy means dou f by dou y. What is the dou f by dou x? Partial differentiation of f with respect to x. Partial differentiation of f with respect to x. This means differentiation of f with respect to x, keeping y as constant. So dou f by dou y means partial differentiation of f with respect to y. This means differentiation of f with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Okay. In this case, in dou f by dou x case, y constant. In dou f by dou y, x constant. Okay. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of, so what is our target? Dou f by dou x. So differentiation of f with respect to x. So keeping y as constant. So 2 constant, differentiation of x square, we get 2x minus 3y. 3 constant, y constant. 3y into differentiation of x will be 1. Y constant derivative 0. Differentiation of x 1. Differentiation of 2y. 2 constant and as well as y constant derivative 0. Minus 8 derivative 0. This whole divided by, in denominator, dou f by dou y. This means partial differentiation of f with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Okay. So differentiation of f with respect to y. 2 constant, x constant derivative 0. Minus 3x constant. Differentiation of y, this will be 1. Plus differentiation of y square, we get 2y. X derivative of x 0 constant. Plus 2 times of differentiation of y 1. Minus 8 differentiation 0. Okay. This is going to be, this minus multiplied to all. Minus 4x. So minus into minus plus 3y. Minus 1. This whole divided by denominator minus 3x plus 2y. Minus 3x plus 2y plus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, now moving on, next question. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0, then find out dy by dx. Okay, so let us take given statement is f of xy, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the implicit function. So what is the formula? Dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. So minus of, where f of x means dou f by dou x, where f of y is fy is dou f by dou y. So dy by dx, now target minus of, in dou f by dou x, y constant. Okay, first we have to find dou f by dou x, partial differentiation of f with respect to x. This means differentiation of f with respect to x, keeping y as constant. So a constant. So differentiation of x square, we get 2x. 2hy constant. Differentiation of x will be 1. by, both are constant, derivative 0. 2z into differentiation of x is 1. 2fy. 2f constant, y is also constant, derivative 0. C derivative 0 constant. This whole divided by, in denominator, dou f by dou y. This means partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay, in this x constant. So a constant, x constant, derivative 0. 2hx, this is constant. differentiation of y 1, b y square, b constant, differentiation of y square is 2y. Okay, so 2gx constant, 2g constant in this dou f by dou y, x is constant, derivative 0, 2f into differentiation of y1, constant, derivative 0. Okay, this is going to be minus of 2ax plus 2hy. Okay, 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. This whole divided by, in denominator 2hx plus 2by plus 2f. 2hx, 2by plus 2f. Okay, 1, 2 get cancelled. Minus of this answer ax plus hy plus g by hx plus by plus f. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. If e to the power x plus y equal to xy, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So this type of problem is taking logarithm on both sides. Logarithms on both sides. So log of e to the power x plus y equal to log of xy. Log of e to the power x plus y. Okay, this is nothing but x plus y into log e. We have one formula, log of m to the power n. This is nothing but n into log m. Okay, this is x plus y into log e base e. Okay, base e, this is equal log xy. We have log xy formula, log x plus log y. So log e base e value 1. So log e base e. This is nothing but log e by log e. This value will be 1. So log xy. We have log ab formula, log a plus log b. So log xy is log x plus log y. Okay. It will be x plus y is equal to log x plus log y. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of x, 1 with respect to x. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Okay, with respect to x. So 1 plus dy by dx equal to, so differentiation of log x with respect to x, we get 1 by x. Differentiation of log y with respect to x, 1 by y into dy by dx. So 1 by x. So differentiation of log y is 1 by y. But y differentiation with respect to x into dy by dx. Okay. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, we collect dy by dx terms. So this dy, positive dy by dx, bring the left side. This one bring the right side. Now this going to be dy by dx. 1 by y times of dy by dx, bring the left side. Minus 1 by y times of dy by dx equal to, okay, this is 1 by x, plus 1 bring the right side, 1 by x minus 1. Now 1 dy by dx take out common on left side, 1 minus 1 by y equal to 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so dy by dx into, let us take LCM. What is LCM? Y. Y minus 1 by y equal to, on right side LCM is x, 1 minus x by x. But our target is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y times of 1 minus x by x times of y minus 1. So what is dy by dx value? Okay. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y times of 1 minus x by x times of y minus 1. This is answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 6. Find the value of d by dx of e to the power log root under 1 plus tan square x base e. Okay, we have a to the power log m base a equal to m. Okay, where m placed in what value is there? Root under 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this would be d by dx of root 1 plus tan square x. Okay, we should apply that formula. So d by dx of root under 1 plus tan square x is nothing but secant x. So differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. X sin y equal to 3 sin y plus 4 cos y. Given, we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So what is given? X sin y plus 3 sin y, bring the left side, minus 3 sin y equal to 4 cos y. Okay, on left side, 1 sin y take out common, sin y common from here, sin y into x minus 3 equal to 4 cos xy. But our target is dy by dx. Okay. This sin y bring the right side. So what we get? X minus 3 is equal to 4 cos y by sin y. This is nothing but 4 times of cos y by sin y is cot y. Okay. But our target is different dy by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x is our target. So now differentiation of y, differentiation with respect to x on both sides. The differentiation of x minus 3. Differentiation of x minus 3, 1. Differentiation of x1, differentiation of constant is 0 equal to 4 constant. Differentiation of cot y. We have minus cosecant square y into differentiation of y is dy by dx. Okay. So differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx by using chain rule. Okay, our target is dy by dx. So minus 4 cosecant square y, bring the left side. 1 by minus 4 cosecant square y equal to dy by dx. Okay, 1 by cosecant square y is nothing but sin square y. Sin square y by minus 4. So minus sin square y by 4 equal to dy by dx. So which option is correct? Option 1 correct. Okay, moving on, next question. So y value given 1 by x. Then we have to find dy by root under 1 plus y to the power 4 plus dx by root under 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay. What is our target? Dy by root under 1 plus y to the power 4 plus dx by root under 1 plus x to the power 4. The derivative of y. Y value given 1 by x, right? Derivative of 1 by x by root under 1 plus y to the power 4. This is nothing but 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, y plus n, we should write 1 by x. 1 by x to the power 4. This is 1 by x to the power 4. So dx by, write as it is. The derivative of 1 by x, we get minus 1 by x square into dx. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And differentiation of x, we get dx. So what is, let us do LCM x to the power 4. X to the power 4 plus 1 root under x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the root under x to the power 4 plus dx by root under 1 plus x to the power 4. So root x to the power 4 is nothing but x square. This x square get cancelled. Okay. What we get? Minus dx by root under x to the power 4 plus 1 plus dx by root under x to the power 4 plus 1. This is positive, negative get cancelled. What we get? 0. Okay, look at the next question. So y value given, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, y value root function is given. Now squaring on both sides first. So y square is equal to root get cancelled, log of cos 2x plus y. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y square, we get 2y into dy by dx. Differentiation of y square is 2y, but y differentiation with respect to x is dy by dx equal to, so differentiation of log of cos 2x. We have differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log of cos 2x, 1 by cos 2x into differentiation of cos 2x by using chain rule. Differentiation of cos 2x, what we get? Minus sin 2x. Minus sin 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay, differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. Now I say that we collect dy by dx terms, plus dy by dx bring the left side. So this will be 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx. This will going to be, this is minus 2 times of sin by cos tan 2x. So one dy by dx take out common on left side. Okay, this will be 2y minus 1 equal to minus 2 tan 2x. Therefore dy by dx, this going to be, this 2y minus 1 bring the right side on divide, minus 2 tan 2x upon 2y minus 1. Okay, this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. G is inverse of f and f dash of x equal to 1 by 2 plus x to the power n. Then we have to find g dash of x. So derivative of g of x, this means. Okay. So what is given condition? G is inverse of f. Here g is inverse of f. This means g of x equal to f inverse of x. Okay. Now taking f function on both sides, f of g of x is equal to f of f inverse of x. We have f of f inverse of x is equal to I of x. This is equal to x. Okay. So f of g of x, this is going to be x. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of f is denoted by f dash of g of x into, what is the inner function? G of x. Differentiation of g of x is g dash x is equal, differentiation of x is, we get 1. Okay. So f dash of g of x, we have f dash of x value 1 by 2 plus x to the power n. Okay. So what is required? F dash of g of x on replacing x by g of x in the statement. So 1 by 2 plus, where expression we should write g of x. Okay. So g of x to the power n into g dash x equal to 1. Our target is g dash x. G dash x is equal, let us do cross product, 2 plus g of x power n. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.